Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making Chinese fried rice and honey glazed chicken. If you want to see how I made my Chinese fried rice, please watch the next video. So we have our seasoning, we have our rice, our green veggies, we have our shrimp, our onion, our spices. So first of all, we're going to be boiling our chicken. Put your already marinated chicken to the pot, add onion, then cover for like 2 minutes just for chicken to generate some sauce, and I add water. I'm going to use the chicken stock for my rice. Then I'll cover. I cook for 8 minutes. I use soft chicken, so I don't want it to overcook. Then I keep it aside. It's time to fry our chicken. To heat your pan, add your oil. When it's hot, you add your chicken. Keep a safe distance. Then when it's light brown, let me fry it with my spoon. You remove it. Then you will fry. The frying is optional, but I like mine extra crispy. Yes, just how I like it. Then I remove it. It's time to make our sauce. So you add the honey. Add your ketchup. We're using medium heat. Stir. Add your chili sauce. Add your dark soy sauce. You can use light soy sauce. Then you can see it's already coming up. Add a half tablespoon of lemon. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic powder. Then you add your chicken. Look how good it looks. Our chicken is ready, guys. It's time to eat. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.